Today we've got something pretty exciting in our hands, a phone that's thin, stylish, and surprisingly affordable. Meet the Tecno Spark Slim 5G, the thinnest 5G smartphone in the world right now. This is the kind of device that instantly grabs your attention the moment you pick it up. Not because it's flashy or expensive, but because it feels like the perfect mix of futuristic design and practical performance for everyday users. Now, in the world of ultra-thin smartphones, we've seen models like the iPhone 15 Air or Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, both known for their sleek designs, but also their jaw-dropping price tags. But what if I told you that you could get that same premium ultra-slim experience without paying $1,000? That's exactly where the Tecno Spark Slim 5G comes in. A phone that delivers a super thin design, strong specs, and 5G connectivity at a fraction of the cost. Let's start with the specs that matter most. Inside the box, Tecno gives you 256 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. Well, technically 8 gigabytes physical RAM plus 8 gigabytes of virtual expansion from storage, which helps multitasking feel smoother. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 5G Plus processor, a capable chip that offers dual 5G connectivity, efficient power use, and strong mid-range gaming performance. It's paired with a 5160 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to nearly full in under an hour. One of the biggest highlights here is the design. This thing measures just 5.95 millimeter thin, making it the world's slimmest 3D curved display smartphone. Those curved edges aren't just for looks, they make the phone feel even thinner in hand, giving you that premium curved screen vibe usually reserved for flagship devices. The Spark Slim 5G is built around a 1.5K AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, giving you fluid scrolling, vibrant colors, and great clarity for videos or games. Whether you're watching Netflix or browsing TikTok, the display feels smooth and premium all the way through. Now, Tecno has done something pretty clever here. The Spark Slim 5G is built to US military-grade 810/10H durability standards, meaning it's resistant to drops, scratches, and general wear. So even though it's ultra-thin, it's not fragile. There's also Corning Gorilla Glass protection, IP64 dust and water resistance, and Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, which is rare at this price point. The dual speakers give surprisingly rich sound, especially for watching YouTube or gaming without headphones. Camera-wise, you get a 50 megapixel main lens on the back, supported by a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. On the front, there's a 13 megapixel selfie camera that can shoot wide-angle photos and up to 2K 30 FPS video. The rear camera also supports 1080p and 2K recording with electronic image stabilization, giving you crisp, stable footage even when shooting handheld. The overall image processing looks balanced, vibrant but not oversaturated, and great dynamic range in daylight. Another cool feature is what Tecno calls mood light design, a subtle LED ring around the camera island that lights up for notifications, calls, or while charging. It adds a touch of personality without being distracting. Now let's talk about the user experience. Right out of the box, the Tecno Spark Slim 5G runs Android 15 with Tecno's custom iOS skin on top. It's clean, fast, and surprisingly light on pre-installed apps. You also get 144Hz adaptive refresh, NFC, an infrared sensor, and even reverse wired charging, meaning you can charge other devices using this phone like a mini power bank. The interface feels fluid, and switching between apps or scrolling through menus feels super responsive. For connectivity, Tecno has added something pretty unique, a feature called FreeLink. Even when you're offline, no SIM, no Wi-Fi, devices running the same system can connect to each other directly using a peer-to-peer link. Think of it like Apple's AirDrop or Nearby Share, but more advanced. It lets you transfer files, send messages, or even make voice calls between devices within range, which could be a real lifesaver during emergencies when the internet's down or you're off-grid camping. When it comes to the display, Tecno truly went all out. The 6.78-inch AMOLED panel offers 2720 by 1224 resolution with high brightness and excellent viewing angles. There's also an eye protection mode that filters harmful blue light for long screen sessions. With the combination of 144Hz refresh and AMOLED tech, it's one of the smoothest displays you'll find under $400 in the US market. Performance-wise, that Dimensity 6400 chipset handles most daily tasks with ease. Social media, YouTube, browsing, and even mid-range gaming like Call of Duty Mobile or Asphalt 9 run perfectly fine at medium to high settings. You also get a built-in game space mode that boosts performance and blocks notifications while gaming, which is a small but thoughtful touch for gamers. Storage is another plus. You get 256 gigabytes built in, with around 230 gigabytes available after the system setup, leaving plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. And yes, it even supports additional virtual RAM up to 8 gigabytes for smoother multitasking. Despite its ultra-thin profile, the phone only weighs about 156 grams, which feels incredibly light in hand. It's almost unbelievable, considering it packs such a large battery. The Spark Slim 5G definitely proves that you can design a thin, stylish device without sacrificing durability or battery life. And if you're wondering about pricing, while flagship slim phones like the iPhone 15 Air start around $999 and Galaxy S25 Edge goes for about $1,099, this Tecno Spark Slim 5G lands in the $349 to $399 range, depending on configuration. That's nearly one-third the price of Apple's Thinnest model, yet it delivers the same kind of sleek premium experience for regular users who want modern performance without breaking the bank. So, what's the verdict? The Tecno Spark Slim 5G might just be one of the best balanced phones we've seen this year. A mix of futuristic thin design, great display, 5G power, and real durability at an affordable price. Sure, it's not a flagship killer in terms of raw performance or camera tuning, but it nails what it promises: a premium feel that everyone can afford. If you're someone who loves slim, elegant phones, but doesn't want to drop $1,000, this could easily be your next daily driver. And yes, we'll be doing a full review soon, including camera tests, gaming performance, and long-term battery results. Thanks for watching Tips and Tech. Drop your questions about the Tecno Spark Slim 5G in the comments below. I'll feature the best ones in our upcoming review video. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of tech. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into gaming and tech. This is Tips and Tech, signing off.